Okay students, as we have discussed question number 3a part, B is same as question number 3a part, so you do by yourself. Now I will do the C part of it. Now CA is 7 centimeter, angle B and angle C are of 45. Now B and C are of 45, so when we add up together it will be 90. And as you know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. So two angles are of 90. So the third angle will also be 90. So this is right angle triangle and B and C. So angle A is 90, B is 45 and C is also 45. Clear? So and CA is 7 centimeter. CA is 7 centimeter. Students, when two angles are of same, this is an isosceles triangle, and in isosceles triangle what will happen, that the base, isosceles has two sides equal and these two are equal. Why these two are equal? Because the angle formed on the third side, that is this one, has equal angles. So it is isosceles right angle triangle. I repeat, in isosceles what will happen, I just draw the diagram again to explain you about isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, like this is an isosceles triangle, fine. These two are equal. So the third side, the angle formed on these two third sides are having a same angle, degree of measure. They have same angles. So this is 45, this is also 45. So this means this is also 7 centimeter. So base is 7, height is 7. So area of, I will write it here, base is 7 centimeter, height is also 7 centimeter. Clear? Now we calculate area of a triangle, half into base into height. So half into 7 into 7 centimeter. 7 sevens are 49 upon 2, that is 24.5 centimeter square is the answer of it. Clear? Now D part. In D part, AB is 3, angle ABC is 90. That means 90 degree will be formed at B vertex. So this is right angle triangle. This is B, this is C, this is A. AB is 3. So this is 3 and BC is 8. So base is 8, height is 3. Base is 8 centimeter. Height is 3 centimeter. Again we will do the same formula, half into base into height, and then we calculate it. So area of triangle equal to half into base into height. So half into 8 into 3 is 12 centimeter square is the answer of it. Clear? Now we will do, now let's see the in the book. Students, E and E part is same. I just do the F part of it. In E part, base and heights are given, so you just do by yourself. Now F part says that AB is 6 centimeter, AC 7, angle BCA 50 degree, angle ABC 40 degree. Yes? So what will happen in this case? You can easily see that angle C is 50, angle B is 40. So angle A will be of 90 degree. So let's draw the right angle triangle at A. Right angled at A, B, C. Clear? Now AB is 6, so base is 6 centimeter. AC is 7. Now you can easily Calculate. So base is 6 centimeter, height is 7 centimeter. Area of triangle. Students, you have to draw all the triangles on your blank page of your geometry notebook. That is interlinked. Base is 6, height is 7, 2 and 6 will be cancelled by 2 stable. So 21 centimeter square is the answer of it. Clear? Thank you.